Hi, if you're watching this video, then it was meant to find you. I have recorded a video before this also, but it got deleted. I mean, the voice was not clear, and I have been repeatedly trying to send this message across to you, but something or the other had to go and could not reach you. So, finally, if you're watching this video, then definitely there is a very strong message for you. I feel like many of you are standing in a version between two self of yours, like a future self and the current self. So one version of you is something that you're familiar with, which is safe, which is something you already know, something conditioned, something predictable. And then there is another version of you which is quietly calling you towards your future. That is something, you know, very different, like living a different life. So not everybody, like, kind of like goes through this timeline shifts and takes it very easily, but you definitely can, my friend, which is why you're watching this video. I have gone through multiple timelines and I manifest multiple realities like that, and I would like to tell you what is it that you are going through right now, because your soul knows that you cannot go back to who you used to be earlier, because there is a huge change that is coming towards you. So first of all, I checked what is your current energy, and it has come up with the sun. So I was channeling the messages, and while channeling, I also took the help of tarot so that I can document it properly, and I also understand in details what is tarot also suggesting, right? So with the sun, I see that you are becoming someone very beautiful, and you're becoming someone who is awakening. You are going through a clarity, and you are entering into a new zone wherein there's a lot of creativity and there's a lot of visibility. And I mean, there is a newfound confidence in you, and also there is the inner child healing. There were things in the past probably which you would be afraid to do, but now you will be much more comfortable in doing those things. Maybe sometimes you feel that you are stuck right now. Maybe you're feeling that time is going really slowly, but trust me, at the soul level, your soul, because the sun card is showing the current energy of your soul, so your soul is extremely in a creator energy, and it is a very social media energy, and it is an energy of being seen, and it's of expression, and it is becoming very magnetic very naturally. So that's who you are currently vibing as. And it's also showing that there is a lot of expansion. A lot of you have been emotionally uncomfortable lately, and that is because that your soul has outgrown the current reality that you're living in. Okay, so now I'll tell you in this video itself that what I mean, I since you're moving into a new timeline, are you actually moving into a new timeline or not? Like, I believe that you are, but with the cards I have taken a confirmation that are you actually moving into a new timeline. And the cards that popped out are the Eight of Cups and the Chariot. So it cannot be more powerful than that. The Eight of Cups is showing, you can see somebody walking away from something, right? So this Eight of Cups is actually showing your older self, the older version of you. So you're actually moving away from your older self, your past reality, I mean, where you used to be earlier. And it's showing like someone leaving their old concepts, old self concepts, or like a self comparison, or maybe like an emotional dependency, or maybe like a situation where you have been living in a fear based life. Okay, so earlier you had conditioned yourself to stay in a place where, which is very societal expectation wise correct, but not necessarily for your soul. So I feel that right now, you are, what your soul is saying is like, I'm taking control of my life, because after the Eight of Cups came the Chariot, and Chariot shows control, it shows movement, it shows momentum, it shows direction. All right, so this is showing personal power. So you're moving away from something into your own personal power. You can see the stark difference from something you are walking out towards something which is showing personal power. And maybe a lot of you will be starting your own channels, maybe you will be starting your own business, maybe you'll be traveling, going to new cities. Okay, and there will be a lot of new visibility that will come into your life, and you will finally take action. If you have been postponing for a very long time, you finally see that you'll be taking actions, and finally you will be reclaiming that discipline. So the Chariot is showing a kind of a detachment, an emotional detachment from your older self. Then I checked what is it in your energy that is holding you back, like what part of your old energy is dying. Okay, what is dying inside you. And the card that has popped out is the Emperor. So the Emperor, as you know, is a card of structure, it's a card of rigidity, it's a card of perfectionism. So what is dying in you is your old way of thinking, the rigid way of thinking, the perfectionism that you have always had. Like after so and so things will go, and then you will start doing something, or after these things are correct, then you'll do, or you need a complete certainty how your future would look, only then you could go ahead. Or maybe the fear of failure, that you cannot fail, and you compare yourself, that comparison, the failure, the fear of it, that is dying inside you. There was a lot of emotional suppression, because earlier you were living according to the societal expectation, your family expectation, and what the roles that are expected from you, what you'll be playing, and not exactly what you actually want to do. So that need of approval, that is dying in you. The masculine survival energy, I'm hearing, is dying in you. Constantly trying to having it all figured out is what is dying in you. And I feel that rather than that, you're going to have a lot of soul alignment now. Okay, and this card is basically showing that there is something related to control, and there is something related to control, that is you are letting it go. Now you're moving into a new creativity, a new kind of softness, new trust into the life. Because I checked that what has been, why have you been feeling detached? Currently maybe you're feeling sometimes irritated, sometimes you're not feeling you're doing enough, and a lot of things. So I checked, like, why you feeling disconnected, and why you feeling emotionally off. And a lot of my clients have also told me the same thing. So see, I do readings every single day for my clients, and I pray every single day for all my subscribers and my clients, and I send out healing energy. So first of all, if you're watching this video, then please make sure that you please hit the like button, you share it, and you write down, I claim the positive energy and I'm ready. Because energy exchange is real. So the more you will claim, the you are actually getting in alignment with it. And if you join my channel, and if you join my subscriber list, then definitely you'll start feeling a sense of healing that is coming towards you every single day. Because every day I send healing vibes for my subscribers and for my clients, right? So I am telling you, why have you been feeling emotionally stuck? Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel first of all. And this is for free, I'm not charging anything, but it does give me a sense of boost, that that the content is being liked, and what I'm saying is reaching you in a positive way. So what has been making you feel emotionally disconnected is the emotional numbness around the repetitive cycles that you have been going through. Okay, I hear with the Four of Cups that your soul has got bored, like you are repeating the same thing, and which kind of might be feeling a little bit of uninspiring for you. Because every day you wake up, and then every day you are like scrolling the the Instagram or the YouTube, or like looking at other people's lives, and then you compare, and then you overthink, and then you're like delaying your dreams, and repeating the same thing again and again, which is why that energy disconnects you from your own energy, right? So this is something that you are getting bored of. And the Page of Pentacles confirming it is showing that your soul wants a new path, your soul wants a new skill, it wants a new beginning, it wants something which is new, like a new project or a new version of yourself. Okay, so this combination is screaming that you were not designed to stay mentally trapped in a life that no longer excites you. So a lot of you might feel like mentally distracted, detached, I'm hearing, and uninspired, or maybe like creatively blocked. So because your spirit wants expansion, and your spirit wants to begin a new timeline towards your dream reality. So you are being asked that you should become a student of your own dream life. Okay, and the next question that I've checked is, what new version is unrevealing, like what is coming out, say a new version of yourself which is emerging. And it is come with the Magician and the Justice. And I was like, wow, it cannot be more powerful than this. It is such a powerful card, and it is showing that what you're awakening inside of you is your own power. It's not ego, and it's not fake, right? It is showing a realization that thoughts matter, energy matters, consistency matters, and discipline matters, self concept matters, and the magician is a creator energy. So this is showing that, someone who's learning, I can actually build my own reality. So when again I saw 10 10 on the screen, and you must be seeing 11 11 10 10 3 3 3 as angel numbers. And justice is showing that, external reality is about to reflect your internal reality. So how you talk to yourself, how you think, and the internal changes that you make. So this card combination is definitely showing that something um, that is entering is of karmic alignment, and things are not aligned with, like, that things that are not aligned with you will just naturally leave, and the things that are aligned with you will naturally flow into your life. Okay, you will not you just have to make sure that you don't resist it, but it will naturally flow into your life. And there is no more requirement for waiting endlessly, and there's no more requirement for you to blame the timing and blame the universe or doubt yourself daily. So what you're learning is that your future changes when your decisions change. So you'll have to make that decision for yourself. And again, I saw 11 11 on the screen, so which is a confirmation. Please write 11 11 if you have seen the message till now. And what fears are there that is delaying your manifestation? So the fears that are there which are delaying your manifestation, I have got the card. I'll just show you, is the Two of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. These are the cards that I've got for the fears that has been delaying your manifestation. So what does it mean? I can say that fear of like losing some kind of emotional security, fear of not being accepted, fear of a relationship dynamics, or fear of becoming too different, or fear of instability, and a fear of judgment. So maybe you think like, what if my relationships don't stay the same way as it is right now? What if I do something, I lose the people who I have? What if I chase my dream life and then I fail? And then what if people stop understanding me? Or maybe like, what if I become successful and my relationship dynamics change? So these are some fears that you have. Also, yeah, and there's a sense of like not being accepted. What if you don't feel accepted? So that is also fear. So these are what the spirit is telling me to tell you, that these are basic fears. This is not real, and it is kind of like stopping you. And many of times you deeply crave like emotional validation, so that also stops you, that when you do something, um you want that validation, and that's not how life works, right? So that can delay the process, and the wait and the like wait for the support can kind of like delay it. So first you'll have to believe in yourself, and you'll have to get aligned with your own purpose and your own work, and then will you find the support and the emotional validation. So don't start searching for the emotional validation already. First start with your work, and then eventually you'll find it. I also checked what are the blessings that are coming towards you, that are entering your life, and I have got the King of Cups and the Three of Cups. And I checked how will be your life in the next 6 months. It is the Four of Swords, the Eight of Swords, and the Knight of Wands. So I will make the next video with these two topics, that what are the blessings entering your life and how will be the next 6 months. Because this video I'll have to make it little short. Next video which I'll just upload after this, please do check that out, and I'll tell you about these two cards. Okay, and if you have seen my video till now, then please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, because then I will be able to keep sending you these positive messages, and all my channeling can be easily accessible to you, and you will be a part of my subscriber family. I'll be sending you healing vibes and my morning prayers. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, then please DM me. Personal readings are paid, of course, and I have been giving readings to lots to thousands and thousands of people, and they are pretty accurate, because this is a collective reading. It might resonate with you, it might not, it depends. But if only it resonates with you, then only accept it. Don't force any reading on yourself. And this message was sponsored by Starly. Starly is a wonderful intuitive app. I am absolutely in love with Starly. It will be coming up soon, and you'll be able to use it. You can check in your thoughts, your feelings, your vibes every single day, and not just for yourself but also for your loved ones, your family members, your partner, and keep a a tab of it. Like you can always check what they're feeling, even if they're not expressing some things. You will get to know about their energies and all, and you'll also be able to do so many wonderful things. It will be just a very peaceful space for you and just for you. Okay, so sending you a lot of love. Share this message if you liked it. Bye.